Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Homely. This is weekly KLSE Summary. First, we look at the tick chart of the KLCI for Friday. So today we can see actually for the morning the market goes up, but after that the price crashed down, especially when before the market close here. Okay, also the price drop very fast, right? So from the daily chart, here we can see now the price break out the downtrend line already. So from the trend series, so we can see now the price for KLCI is higher low and higher high. So that means the downtrend or medium to short term downtrend finish already, and then the short term uptrend is start. Okay, so after breakout, there usually most of the times there will be a short term correction for the price. So we should be careful if next Monday close with a bearish candlestick. So that means for the short term we'll have a correction. But don't worry, why? Because for the short term or medium term, the bottom now is confirmed already. So if the price later, okay, mainly the support, the first support is here, and then the second support will be here. Okay, so but we need to know now the price or the trend is for rebound only because we can see the price is run below the zero line. So that means now the price is still in weak area. Okay, but from the weekly charts, we haven't confirmed the bottom area. Why? Because we from the KDG here we can see the G line haven't crossed the yellow line already. So every time here next week, if next week close with a bullish candlestick, that means we can confirm that the medium bottom is already okay. But now we must reach until the G line upper cross the yellow line so that we can make sure the bottom is more steady than now. Alright. So this is a very useful strategy for us to judge the medium top and bottom for the index. So here we must keep in mind that this method is for index only, so it's not suitable for individual stocks. Okay, so this is about the medium, how to find the medium bottom for the index. And also we mentioned there is a bottom, there must be a top also. So for the top, also very easy. Alright, so we can say every time when the G line downward turning, here we can see that the market is at the top area. So for example, last 2 or 3 months before when the G line downward turning, okay, I think in the previous video we have mentioned already. So if you have learned the video, you have watched the video and you know the method, so you will sell at the top, okay, and won't lose money during this period. Okay, so that's why if you want to learn more knowledge about the market and the technical analysis, maybe you can subscribe my YouTube channel and also so that you can learn more knowledge from my channel. Okay, So the next one is about the sectors. As we know, during the last 2 or 3 weeks, the healthcare sector actually the performance is very good. But last week, actually, the healthcare is not so good. Okay, so also got some investors ask me whether the healthcare sector still can goes up or not. Okay, later we will analyze the healthcare sector. First, I want to mention a method to how to tell the stronger sector or stock by compare with the KLCI index. Last time we mentioned, okay, when the index lower low, but the sector higher low. So this is kind of bottom divergence and also means this kind of sector is stronger than the index. And also today I will share you another signal like this. Here we can see the index, the KLCI index break out the resistance this day. But we can see for the utilities index break the resistance this day. So that means this sector is stronger than index. And what's more, we can say Friday, okay, index close with a bearish candlestick, but the utility still can close with a bullish candlestick. So that means stronger than index lah. Okay, next one is about the KL healthcare index. So from the healthcare index, first from the trend, so we can see here no, the price is lower high, right? Okay, but now haven't got a lower low. So that means here will be a strong support. But from the indicator Bollinger Band, we can see the price break down the middle line already. So for the short term or medium investors, this signal is call signal for the short-term or medium traders. Okay, what's more, we can see here is a potential golden cross for the MACD. For the individual stocks, first is top graph. So from top graph, also the same. First, we can say here is lower high. And then the closing price breakdown already lower low already, and the closing price also break the middle line, and what's more, we can see the top graph show us the that cross already. So this is also a medium to short term sell signal for the individual stock. So if you trade for short term, I think you need to be careful lah. Okay. Next one is about Hatha Lega. So for Hatha Lega, we see also the same. Here is high, lower high, but we can see the price. Okay, haven't hit a new low, but the price break down the middle line already. So that means here also got the potential that cross. So at least for short term or medium term, we should be careful or pay attention to the healthcare index or some graph stocks. All right. Okay, so the next one is about the Supermax. So for the Supermax, okay, we can say it's a little bit stronger than Top Glove and Hatalega. Why? So we can see here the high price hit a new high here, especially for the closing price, and then the low price haven't break the new low, and then only the price break down the middle line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so that means the support for the Supermax is higher than the top graph and Hatha Lega. Okay, and also what's more here, potential that cross. That means we also need to be careful for the Supermax. All right. Okay, so the next one is cosine. So cosine, okay, same with top graph and Hatha Lega. First, lower high. Second, okay, but the closing price is still above the middle line of the Bollinger Band. But we still need to be careful lah. And here is got a potential that cross for the cosine. All right. The last one I want to talk about the MYEG because MYEG now got the good news, right? So we can say today the price directly gap up, but finally close with a bullish candlestick with a long upper shadow. So that means here got a strong resistance. So from the indicator, we can see now the price is be range between the upper channel and the middle channel. So that means now the price is in the strong area. And what's more, we can see here the MACD got golden cross already. And today we can see close with high volume. So we can also use high volumes corresponding candlestick, the high price and the low price as a buy and sell signal. If the price can break, okay, maybe we can still can buy, but once the price break down, that means we need to cut loss. Okay, so here are some usage for technical indicator lah. So last, if you want to know more about the market information and the technical indicators, you can subscribe to my channel. All right. So hope you can have a good weekend. See you next week.